Hey, thanks for joining me. Hope you can follow along as we draw Sensei Firefist. Starting with a straight line coming down, curve it around for the chin and then back up like so. Now we've got his headband on. It's the bottom, and then this is the top of his headband, so bring that around like this. Now he's got one spiky bit of hair, main spike that you see, another spike there. It's got as many spikes as Sonic the Hedgehog, and then another spike there. We might put another little one in there and another little one behind there. So there's his head, almost like a pot plant. Don't let Sensei Firefist hear you say that though. Okay, one eye here. Look, because he's looking to the right, and then he's got his eyebrow, one eyebrow like that, because he's cranky. Then his other eye is going to be here, similar size. And then he's going to have his eyebrow looking like that. Then he's got a bit of hair coming down here, round for his ears, then bring that around. Now he's got a V neck, so middle of there is where his V will come. This is his outfit coming around. So this is his shoulder, and then his outfit comes down and around like that. That's his black belt. And then now he's got a belt that you can see, so belt there with a knot. And he's part of his belt there. This is a bit longer strap coming off. Now we're getting into his fire fists. Let's draw his fire fist on this side. There's his leg, and then he's got some fire coming off, almost like a fiery ninja star coming up and around like that. When we colour that, that's going to look heaps better. So he's got a bit of an arm, and then he's got some more fire fists coming around here like this. And they spike around like so. So there's the two fire fists. Now we've got to finish off his legs. So one pant bottom here comes across and back up. You'll see the bottom of his outfit through here and there. And then this is his leg coming down, around and then back in like that, because he's more side on this leg. This one, we're going to bring his foot like that. And then this one, we're going to bring his foot down more side on, like so. Let's bring some patterns on here. Spiral into a spiral like this. And then the same on the other side. It just comes down like this. Then we have a little bit of a bit here.